Welcome to our WPRP video series, Would You Like Fries With That? I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff.
Today we're talking about safety clips. Not only any safety clip, we're talking about the Sturdi Bilt safety clip. Linda, tell us what we got going on over here.
So we have two different clips here for the Unarco Sturdi Bilt. This is the original design, and then we also have an upgraded design which has an extra safety mechanism at the bottom to prevent the clip from disengaging. A lot of people still have the old design with these standard clips, but if you want to get some extra safety, these are available right now as well.
And that's really important information. Just make sure whenever you're going through a warehouse, you're always looking for missing clips or disengaged beams. That means that they need replacement parts. And if you need those, you can contact us or have questions. We'll be sure to help you. I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff. Be sure to tune in and see us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn.